I'm helping my boyfriend of almost 4 years prepare for a custody battle. We have a chronological journal and many voice memos of her typical curse-laced rants. She has stated on multiple occasions on tape that she will not let the child see her father, citing religious reasons. We are living in sin according to her, even though she has done so as well in the time I've known her. She has lived up to that promise, and he has not been able to see his daughter in over a year and has barely been allowed to speak to her. He calls his daughter at least once a week and pays child support. He's a good and loving dad. What's the best method of presenting those recordings in court? Is there a better method to present text messages than just printing screenshots? Is there anything else we can do to prepare? Some of you guys who are using some of those programs, those apps like Our Family Wizard and Talking Parents, I'm wondering if you know whether there's a way within those apps to convert text messages to something that's more readable for the court. I don't know the answer to that, but I am sure that there's an app that helps with those text messages. In fact, there is prayers answered. There's an app called Hammerprint. It's amazing. It will print out an entire text thread. That's amazing, you guys. So thank you. You can use it to save text threads to Google Drive. Oh my gosh, thank you. What I just tell my clients is that we print the screenshots of the text messages, but I'm sure that there's a better method. The best method for presenting voice recordings in court, you have to remember that, depending on where you are, those recordings may be considered hearsay. And regardless of whether they're hearsay or not, you have to lay the foundation. So, you have to be able to identify when those recordings were made, who was present on the line, who took the recordings. You have to lay foundation so the court understands what they are. But I'm really sad for your boyfriend. I'm sorry that he's going through that. It seems like you're collecting all of the right information and keeping track of things in a way that's going to be helpful. I'm glad you have a chronological journal. I will tell you that in Arizona, the courts do allow hearsay in child custody disputes, so it's very easy to get in voice recordings. And in one such case, probably 15 years ago, we had a voice recording of a mother who was going through a curse-laced rant. And after hearing that, the court was just disgusted, and he awarded my client a father sole decision-making of the child. And it stayed that way till the child graduated from high school. So yes, that information is powerful, and I'm glad that you are collecting it. And I'm sure